up, everybody? This is LD Adventures, and we are feeding the animals today. So this is cat feed, and this is chicken feed, and corn inside. Because mixtures of cat feed and chicken feed, they will lay eggs all year round in harsh weather, in cold and hot weather. So tomorrow we are going to post another video of chickens tomorrow. So we let the chickens free range in the daytime, but in the nighttime we don't, so predators don't eat them. Now we're going to shut the door just a little bit early. We are very cautious with snakes, and raccoons and stuff. So that's why we have this trap and why we shut the doors. This is rabbit feed. At the end of this video, we are going to show you our big rabbit. I had some. Please. We have babies. Hi, can I find one of the babies? I'm going to hold one real quick. Hey, baby. Baby. Hey, buddy. Hey, Edie. Come here. Hey. I see. I see. Let me see. Hey, let me see, Mama. Let me see. Let me see. Make sure you lock it up tight, because the rabbits escape a lot.
Good job, John Henry. All right, put it in there.
They actually eat that. Yeah, I eat that.
John Henry said, yay.
Yay. The extras we put back in there. And we got a security camera, basically the chicken pen, so we know if actually something came and ate them. And please leash your dogs, because we have a dog problem eating all our chickens. We are running out of feed, so tomorrow
gotta go feed Rusty. Let him have some more, Lofton. He threw that down. He didn't know that was for Rusty.
Come on, let's go feed Rusty. This is not a big horse. It is a pony.
Not in his water, John Henry.
We're gonna show you, we got a secret house building in there. We're gonna finish it next weekend. We do writings on them on birthday parties and so we give them hay too. Like cows can eat. We got cows too, but they're just not here yet. Rusty can't eat all the hay at that round bell over there. Cause he can eat it, but it can't be soaked. But cows can eat that hay. So we leave these inside the barn, and we give him squirrel burrows. Uh-oh. I'm gonna get that other house. No. So these are the ones that broke. The ice broke them, but this helped it stay not freezing up. But the only thing about these we don't like that they do freeze up. And these do not freeze up, but they leak. And just like that, we put them on. My eating. You have to make sure to turn it off. So, cause last week it snowed and the whole water was still going and it froze the water up. So our bunnies and rabbits did not have anything to drink. They're leaking. now we're done feeding animals. We're going to show you a bunny that I'm babysitting for my grandma Al, because she's in Florida. She is a English Angora. That's the kind of rabbits that we are going to be holding. She is almost fully potty trained.